In this video, I will explain two ways in which you can center the image in Photoshop. So here you can see that I have got this image and it is in a separate layer, as you can see here. So to center this image, the first way is, first of all, you go to the view and then make sure that this snap is ticked. Once that is done, all you have to do is just drag like this in the center and you will notice these guides. So right now it is vertically aligned. To align it horizontally, just move it a little bit right, and you can see that these purple lines are coming up. So when two purple lines are crossing each other, we can say that this particular image is centered, and then you can release the mouse. So this is one way. Now next way is, make sure that this layer is selected and then press Ctrl A on the keyboard. Once that is done, just make sure that you have selected this tool, move tool. Then click here and you can see this image is at the center horizontally. Now to center this vertically as well, just click here, and right now it is aligned vertically as well as horizontally, and then just press Ctrl D to deselect. That's it. That's how you can center the image vertically as well as horizontally. You can choose any of the way, whichever you like. Thanks for watching.